It's a wonder man can eat at all. We think that we should be small. When we can tell magic bells, we'd be doing for us. And I'm giving all my ladies to this world, only to be told. I can't see, I can't breathe, no one will give me. Nothing's gonna change the way we live. Cause we can always take but never give. Another thing is changing for the world, see. Oh, it's a crazy world we live in, and just can't see that how for us it must. It must. Insane is all we have to give this future. Futures made of man, but you're losing insanity now. Always seem to be governed by this love we have for you, for useless twisting of our new technology. Oh, now there's no sound, for we all live, for we all live underground. Futures made of virtual insanity now. Always seem to be governed by this love we have for useless twisting of our new technology. Oh, now there is no sound, for we all live underground. And I'm thinking what a mess we are in, hard to know where to begin. If I could sleep, secretize the ashley man has made. And now every other mother can choose the color magic of her child. That's not nature's way. But that's what they say yesterday. There's nothing left to do but pray. I think it's time I found a new religion. Ooh, it's so insane to synthesize another strain. There's something in these futures that we have to be taught. Futures made of virtual insanity now. Always seem to be governed by this law we have for users. Twisting about our new technology. For now there is no sound. We all live underground. Now there is no sound. If we all live underground. Now it's virtual insanity. Forget your virtuality. Oh, there's nothing so bad as a man-made man. Oh yeah, I know, oh yeah.